Kyle, and making it happen through sheer force of will. I think if he was to tell you he'd like to have that one back. Jeff with a monster blast. He was the first one tonight on that modified class to do what he did. Colton just out for a Sunday drive. Takes his left hand clear off the steering wheel and just says, we're going to go for a little cruise here. Look, no hands. On Glasgow, Kentucky, and bullseye. Hello, there's a new sheriff in town. Foreplay.